Today we're going to talk about a day in the life of the macrobiotic lifestyle. So we're slowly making our way downstairs heading towards breakfast, but I might stop and throw a load of laundry in on the way down. And when I do that, I come into the laundry room. It's also my cleaning product room, and I just want to point out that we use all natural products in cleaning. It's actually become very popular because of the green movement, not to use petroleum-based products, not to use, imported products that come from a long way away. So these are all like American companies that make beautiful, natural cleaning products for your laundry and for your home, for the floor, for the windows, for the stainless steel, for the granite. And they all have different smells. This one is peppermint. This one is lavender, this one is rose geranium, and it's a wide array of products. This is like for scrubbing the, sinks in the kitchen. I keep it in storage up here, but I bring it down. And it not only makes cleaning healthy, but fun, and it smells great, and it makes you feel really good while you're doing it.